Oh my god, today is a dream come true. Woo. So ever since I ditched my iPhone 11, my daily driver, this one is my work phone, so this is not the one I had, for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there has been one thing I absolutely miss, and that is by far AirDrop. Being able to transfer videos and photos to my laptop with just a push of a button proved to be so useful in a case like myself where, you know, I create videos for YouTube, because I use various cameras, whether it's my Sony cameras, whether it's the Z Fold 3 or my iPhone. I use a mixed variety of cameras, and the one thing that I love about shooting photos and videos with my phone or with my iPhone was the ability to just AirDrop those pictures and video files to my laptop so I can easily edit it on the laptop with no fuss. Transferring over to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there has been something kind of like it. It's called My PC. It's a collaboration between Samsung and Windows. It's not the same thing, and I didn't really get used to it. I didn't like it very much. So what I ended up doing was creating my own server in my home. That server was run by Nextcloud, and so I downloaded the Nextcloud app on my phone, and I downloaded the Nextcloud PC software onto my desktop, and that worked really well. That was my go-to, right? That's what I use to transfer videos and photos that I shot on my phone to my video editing PC. Didn't have to email myself the pictures and videos and get into that mess. And it worked out well. I love it. But it was still a dream of mine to be able to use like maybe NearbyShare to just wirelessly send my videos and pictures to my computer. Lo and behold, I got an email from Google saying just that they've been collaborating with Windows and they are finally ready to share what they have. It's a beta software, but they're ready to share it and have me test it out. And I did, and I gotta say, it is freaking awesome. It is such a game changer. And let me tell you something, this thing is blazing fast when transferring files from my phone to my desktop PC. Super fast. I would say it's 10 times faster than sharing files using my Nextcloud server. I usually gotta wait about 5 minutes for those files to actually show up on my desktop computer. Let me show you how to get started using NearbyShare with your Android phone and your Windows PC. Thank you, Windows, and thank you, Google, for maybe putting aside any differences you guys had to come out with a viable solution for Android users who's missing out on AirDrop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to visit this website, and I'll put the link in the description below, so check it out. So once you go to this website, there's going to be a Get Started button, so go ahead and click on Get Started and let it download. Once it finishes downloading, then you can launch the app. This is Windows 11, so it might look different for you if you're running Windows 10. It's going to go through installing. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to give yourself a name that you want your computer to show up as. So this is my Dell laptop, so I'm going to just put Dell laptop. Now you want to select all the individuals that can share files to this computer using their Android phone. So I'm just going to click here, and since it's just going to be me, I'm just going to select your devices. Click on sign in, click my name, sign in successful. To continue, close this window. So I'm going to go ahead and close it. Go back. All right, so that's the name. Help improve this app. Hit done, and there we go. And then so now what I can do is I can send files to my phone, and then I can also send files from my phone to this computer. I'm going to go ahead and go into settings, and then the downloads, I'm going to change the download. So what I like to do is I'll just go into pictures, and I will create a new folder, and I'll call this folder NearbyShare, and hit change. There we go. And so now I got my phone right here, so I'm gonna take a picture of y'all. Okay, there's a photo right there. So now I'm going to press on the share. and then I'm going to do nearby share. And there we go. There's Dell laptop, and there is my video editing desktop. So I'm going to just click on the Dell laptop right here. Bam, and it's done. So now if we go back here, we can see that something was received. We can open it, and sure enough, here's the photo I sent. And like I said, this thing is lightning fast. And just to show you how fast it is, I got this long video that I made. It's screen recording. It's about 22 minutes and 39 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up NearbyShare. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna click on Dell laptop right here. Look how fast this goes. Look at that. It's crazy. That is super fast. Remember, this video is almost 30 minutes long. Bam. Done. And sure enough, when I go here and I click open, it opens it in a media file, in a media player.
Okay, so it's downloading lens clock.
And there's my video. There's my screen recording that I made on my Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's go back to that folder. Let me just right click here and see the info on it. So properties. All right, so what's the resolution on this thing? I'm just curious. The resolution is 1080, so it's not 4K, but still, that's crazy fast. And as if NearbyShare for Windows couldn't get any better, they took it even further. So not only can you use NearbyShare on your Windows computer to share files to your phone, but if you have NearbyShare also installed on another Windows computer, guess what? That computer will show up and you can share files between computers. Here's an example. Here's a screen recording that I did earlier. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to drop it into NearbyShare. And sure enough, here is my DaVinci Resolve rig that I use to edit my YouTube videos. And I'm just going to click on it. And there you go. The video is sent to that PC. And as you can see here, this is my my video editing rig, and sure enough, here is the file. It plays and everything. This is awesome. Game changer. Now, if you have issues, if you get like a fail message, try and turn on receive from everyone, and then check the box where it says keep everyone mode on at all times. Because the first time I tried this, it failed when trying to send it to my video editing rig. So when I changed this to receive from everyone and put a check in this box, then it finally worked and it sent it over. But there you go. That's NearbyShare. I am loving this. This is exactly what I needed to increase my workflow, and it's gonna help out a lot in terms of, you know, editing my YouTube videos. Thank you, Google and Microsoft, for stepping up. This is awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. Anyway, that does it for this short video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't find it helpful, and you know you want to stick to AirDrop, that's fine. Thumbs down will work also. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.